In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams on your phone, whether you're using iOS or Android. We'll guide you through setting up your account, starting a chat, and even scheduling a meeting, all from the convenience of your mobile device. First off, grab your phone and open the Microsoft Teams app. Once you've got it open, you'll be prompted to enter your account. This is where your email address linked to Microsoft Teams comes into play. Make sure to have that information handy. After entering your account details, you'll notice a button that says Send Code. Give that a press. This will send a verification code to the email address associated with your account. Check your email, copy the code, and then enter it back in the app. Once you've verified your account, go ahead and click Sign In. Initially, you might be given the option to personalize some settings, but for now, you can just click Skip for Now to get straight to the app's core features. Next, when prompted, be sure to click Allow to give the app necessary permissions like sending notifications or accessing certain phone features. Now you'll see an option to tap on Get Started. This gets you ready to explore Microsoft Teams. Tap on Accept when presented with any terms and conditions, followed by hitting Continue several times through any introductory screens. You'll soon land on the homepage of Microsoft Teams. Here's a great starting point to familiarize yourself with the layout and features available. Let's kick things off with starting a chat. Head over to the Chat section and click New Message. Here, you'll type in the account name of the person you'd like to reach out to. Once entered, click Next, and you are all set to start chatting with colleagues or friends. Next, let's navigate back to the home page. Tap the profile icon typically located on the left side. From there, click on your account to explore options like editing your profile. If you wish to update your name, tap on Edit Name, make the changes you want, and don't forget to click Save. Now let's look at how to start a meeting. Head over to the Calendar section and click on New Meeting. You'll be prompted to enter a title for your meeting. After that, you have the option to add participants. Simply type in their account names and select Done. Further down, set the date and time for your meeting. Once everything looks good, click Done again, and voila, you've just created a scheduled meeting, and that's it for iOS. For our Android friends, the process is fairly similar. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and signing in with your account. Tap on Get Started, and you'll soon find yourself on the main homepage. Just like before, clicking on the profile icon lets you manage account settings or change your profile picture. For chatting and meeting setup, follow the same steps as outlined for the iOS version. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to navigating Microsoft Teams on your phone.